This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baritica. East FORT LAUDERDALE, substantially and tastefully remodeled unit in this boutique building located in Coral Ridge Country Club area. Features: open concept floor plan, gorgeous kitchen, an expansive quartzite cooking island with under-counter storage, soft close cabinetry, pewter hardware and newer appliances, newer HVAC. Unit is well lit, neutral tone Mohawk soundproof flooring, all new light fixtures, hardware, baseboards throughout, hurricane impact glass in bedroom, kitchen and living room, minus the front door. Generous bedroom, walk-in closet and updated bathroom. Enjoy the roomy Lanai with golf and pool views in this tranquil setting. Unit is move-in ready. Close to major highways, beaches, restaurants, shops and much more. Well-maintained building and passed all its inspections. For more information, review the details below.